Hello everyone, Brett McCrae here with your Northern Ag Report. Ranch Group RCAF USA has requested the Department of Agriculture withdraw its proposal to allow the importation of fresh beef from Paraguay. Historically, the United States has not engaged in trade of beef from Paraguay because the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service has considered the country to be affected with foot and mouth disease. However, after a request from the government of Paraguay and a risk assessment by APHIS, the USDA has proposed a rule seeking to allow the importation of fresh beef from the country. Other cattle groups have also voiced their concerns about this rule, which range from its effect on American producers to the safety of the U.S. cattle herd. The Board of Livestock in Montana is actively searching to fill the position of state veterinarian. After 16 years of service in the position since 2007, Dr. Marty Zalewski has notified the board of his resignation. According to the job posting on the state website, applicants for state veterinarian are required to be an accredited doctor of veterinary medicine with at least 4 years in practice. And members of the Montana Farm Bureau are in Washington, D.C. this week advocating for agriculture in our nation's capital, held in conjunction with the American Farm Bureau Federation's Advocacy Fly-In. The attendees are meeting with Montana's congressional delegation, agency officials, and participating in other meetings relevant for agriculture. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with your markets in an hour.
We asked Montana farmer Walt Sales about the challenges of mental health in agriculture.
Another drought. There always is. There's always going to be another something. I grew up in a generation of you pulled yourself up by your bootstraps. But it's become evident is what do you do if you can't even find those bootstraps? If you need to talk to somebody, go to beyondtheweather.com for free counseling for Montana ag producers.
Hello everyone, Brett McCrae back with more ag news and your markets. This summer, Montana State University's College of Agriculture will hold 7 field days around the state, allowing the public to visit its ag research centers to learn about ongoing projects. The field days kick off this Wednesday at the Southern Agricultural Research Center in Huntley, but also include public events at Havre, Conrad, Sidney, Bozeman, and Corvallis. Discussion topics will include plant breeding and variety testing, livestock management and production, precision agriculture, irrigation, input management, and more. All field days are free and open to the public. More information at agresearch.montana.edu. Cattle markets closed lower on the week ending June 9th despite significantly higher cash trade. Even with the support of fundamentals, traders appear a little unsure about the heights to which they can take the market. At St. Onge Livestock on Friday, cull cows traded from 90 cents up to $1.15, slaughter bulls from $1 up to $1.32. Last week in Sioux Falls, 80 to 99 pound lambs sold 10 cents higher from $1.80 up to $2.05. And wheat markets traded mixed throughout Monday's session after USDA predicted higher global supplies in Friday's World Egg Supply and Demand report. In the forefront of traders' minds right now, dry conditions in the Corn Belt, generating concerns for this year's crop. That's all for your Ag Report. Have a great day.